Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over the vast Crossroads Zinger family of travel trailers. Zingers have a total of 26 floor plans, with 5 of them being single-axle models. The single-axle Zingers range from a little over 3,200 pounds to just over 4,350 in dry weight, and all are around 22 feet in length, plus or minus. The dual-axle Zingers have a wider range from a little over 4,300 pounds all the way up to nearly 8,800 pounds, and from 25 foot to 38 foot. Let's take a look at the Zinger single-axle floor plans first. Of the 5, 2 are bunkhouses. The 18BH has the classic non-slide single-axle bunkhouse look with stacked twin bunks in the rear off-campside corner abutting the convertible dinette and sharing the back wall with the bathroom. The kitchen is campside and straight line, and a camp queen bed, as with all single-axle Zingers, is tucked into the front off-campside corner. The 18BS is very similar, only the convertible dinette is in a slide. Both of these can sleep up to 5 campers. The other 3 single-axle Zingers are rear living floor plans. The 18DS is a rear bath with quite a large slide, pulling out a jackknife sofa into U-dinette. The 18DS has 2 entry doors, one of which is straight into the bathroom. Next up, the 18RD is a rear dinette setup that places a commanding U-dinette against the rear wall. The straight-line kitchen has an under-counter fridge and a sizable pantry. The final single-axle Zinger is the 18RK. This floor plan has an impressively large L-shaped kitchen in the rear campside corner, plus a large pantry across from it. The 18RK also has the convertible dinette, yet still has room for a sofa. As with the other rear living single-axle Zingers, the 18RK can sleep up to 4. Now that we're done with the single axles, let's move on to the dual-axle Zingers. There are a total of 21 floor plans. Of that, a solid baker's dozen are bunkhouses. That being said, we're going to look over the 8 rear living floor plans first, starting with the 211RD. This model has a jackknife sofa and convertible dinette sharing the back wall and a walk-around queen bed up front. Campside middle, you'll see half the kitchen, the sink, and the cooktop. The other half, the fridge and pantry, sit next to the sofa. Next, we see the only dual-axle rear bath model, the Zinger 229RB. The bathroom covers the entire rear wall and has a nice-sized shower. There's a single living area slide pulling out the U-dinette and fridge. Campside, across from this slide, is an impressive L-shaped kitchen and entertainment center with a very large pantry or wardrobe depending on your needs. Next are a couple of rear kitchen models, the 249RK and 280RK. The 249 has a large L-shaped kitchen countertop, cooktop, and fridge covering the entire back wall. A large slide with a jackknife sofa and U-dinette open up the main living area and sit across from a well-designed entertainment center with more counter space. The bedroom has a centered walk-around queen bed, a pocket door for privacy, as well as private entry from the exterior. The 280RK takes what the 249 has and builds upon it. The rear kitchen is massive with a wide inverted J-shaped counter on the campside and the rest of the kitchen covering the back wall. The large slide houses the jackknife sofa and U-dinette with the sofa sitting across from a pair of swivel rockers. Perpendicular on the wall sits a big entertainment center and fireplace. Both of these rear kitchen Zingers are capable of sleeping 5, plus have outdoor kitchens. On to the 4 rear living models. First up is the 285RL. A classic rear living floor plan, the Zinger 285RL has a large jackknife sofa spanning the entire back wall, a large living area slide pulling out the U-dinette, and a pair of recliners. A nice size L-shaped kitchen commands the rest of the living area, along with an entertainment center and a walk-in pantry. Next up the line is the Zinger 292RE. Like the 285RL, it has a jackknife sofa against the back wall and a slide with the U-dinette and recliners. However, this slide is now campside, and there's an additional opposing slide to pull out the major kitchen appliances and the entertainment center. This allows for a wide kitchen island. Getting longer and more unique is the Zinger 299RE. Up front, it's essentially the same as the 292RE, only the private access to the bathroom via the bedroom has been eliminated to allow for washer-dryer prep. The 299 RE also has the single large slide with the U-dinette and recliners. Where it's amazing is on the back end. The back wall is a large hutch and wine cooler beside a large pantry. The pantry is hidden by an entertainment center with a 50-inch TV and fireplace that swivels to allow pantry access. The 299 RE has a large L-shaped campside kitchen as well as a large outside kitchen. Now we move up to the Zinger 340 RE. This model takes the opposing slides and kitchen island from the 292 RE and adds a wine cooler and hutch to the main living area. Up front, the bathroom with its slotted out spot for washer-dryer prep is the same as the 299 RE, only the bed is now housed in an off-campside slide and is a king bed. To top off the huge bedroom is a wardrobe closet that covers the entire front wall. Onto the Zinger bunkhouse floor plans, which all sleep a minimum of 7 people. First up is the only dual-axle Zinger bunkhouse with the queen bed in the front corner, the 205BH. This layout has the classic double-over-double bunks in the rear corner next to the bathroom. The 229BH is up next, and it is laid out the same way as the 205BH, but has a bit more room to accommodate a versatile Murphy bed. Number 3 in the Zinger bunkhouse lineup is another non-slide model, the 252BH. The 252 keeps the double-over-double bunks in the rear corner as well as the dinette and similar bath, but adds a jackknife sofa running perpendicular to the off-campside kitchen. On up the line, we have the 270BH. Double-over-double bunks are in the off-campside rear corner, sharing the rear wall with the bathroom. A large living area slide pulls out the U-dinette and jackknife sofa. Across from that sits a sizable L-shaped kitchen with a large pantry. The entertainment center sits on an interior wall that, along with a solid pocket door, gives privacy to the bedroom. Up next is the 280BH. The main differences between it and the 270BH are that the sofa and dinette swap places and the bunks switch sides with the bathroom, enabling the addition of an outside kitchen. In fact, every Zinger bunkhouse from the 280BH and up has an outside kitchen. Now we jump up to the 290KB. The middle and front half are very similar to the 270BH. However, where it differs is in the bunk area. A true bunk room with a solid door enclosure, you'll find 3 twin bunks and a convertible dinette. Up next is the Zinger 298BH. The back wall has the double-over-double bunks with the exterior kitchen as well as the bath in the off-camp rear corner. You'll find the large slide with the sofa and dinette as well as the L-shaped kitchen and large side pantry off the main entry. Up front, the 298 has a private half bath with entry from the master bedroom, which is great for middle-of-the-night bathroom runs. Next, we have the Zinger 320FB, which features queen over queen beds up front and moves the master to the back of the RV. This front bunk room has its own private door and a nice size wardrobe. The walk-around queen for the master bedroom in the back is on a slide with its own private entry as well as private access to the bathroom. In the living area, you'll find a super slide and L-shaped kitchen. It's also worth noting that the 320FB has its exterior kitchen near the middle of the RV instead of at the back. The 326BH has double-over-double rear corner bunks and is a true double bath model. It also has dual opposing slides in the main living area, allowing this RV to have a kitchen island for great prep space and additional kitchen storage. Now we have the 328SB, which is a very open quad bunk model. The slide in the main living area has a U-dinette and sofa, while the slide in the bunk room houses a sofa with a top bunk. The third bunk is along the back wall and the fourth on the campside with an outside kitchen underneath. The 328 also has 2 entrances, with one of them entering directly into the bathroom. The 330BH, our next Zinger bunkhouse, also has 2 entries, with one directly into a half bath that has private access from the bunk room with its double-over-double bunks. A full bath sits up front with private access into the bedroom. To accommodate a kitchen island, a kitchen slide has been placed campside opposite the standard Zinger large living area slide. Up next, we have the 331BH. The midsection of this model is the same as the 330BH, and it also has a half bath with access from the outside and private access from the bunk room. However, the bunk room has a pair of twin bunks and a jackknife sofa, with one of the bunks and the sofa in a slide. The front bath is a full walk-through with private access from the bedroom to create a master suite. The final Zinger bunkhouse is the 333DB. The large bunk room is filled with a twin bunk and trifold sofa on a slide, plus a rear bunk opposite. The bunk room has its own half bath as well. The Zinger large living area slide has been moved to the campside, and the L-shaped kitchen is on the off-camp side. The full bath is walk-through and can be enclosed to create a master suite. Okay, that's it for the Zinger floor plans. A few features the dual-axle floor plans all share on the exterior are a totally enclosed and heated underbelly with forced heat, outside shower with hot and cold water, and a 54-gallon freshwater tank. The interior has premium residential furniture, 81-inch interior height, LED accent lighting, 13,500 BTU AC, and flush floor slide out with large dinette windows. You're probably not going to find a series of conventional travel trailers more encompassing than the Crossroads Zinger. Truly, there is a Zinger for nearly every couple or family who loves the camp.